Hi, my name is Adrian from Linemaster. If you're wondering how to place an order with us, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get switched. First, head over to www.linemaster.com and log in. If you're new here, click Create an Account to get started. Use our interactive tool to find the part number for the switch you need. Add it to your cart, choose your preferred UPS shipping method at checkout, and pay securely with any major credit card, Shop Pay, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. If you're placing a purchase order instead, email it directly to our customer service team at the address below. They'll send you an order confirmation, tracking details, and your invoice right after. New customer? No problem. Send us your W-9 and resale tax certificate, if applicable, and we'll set up your account with credit card terms. Once you're set, we can ship your first order within 24 to 48 hours if stock is available. To establish Net 30 terms, download and fill out our credit card application and email it to our accounting team for review. Whether it's a Cadillac switch or a fully custom design, our team is here to guide you every step of the way. Check out the full blog for more details or contact us anytime to get started. My name is Adrian with Linemaster, and until next time, stay switched.